So Kelby and I both got some RC drift cars, and we went to the drift track once. I'll throw some footage in of that. So we made a little bit of a detour and got RC drift cars.
This is awesome.
And we got addicted, so we made our own drift track in our shop.
Yeehaw.
What did you get?
This is the Yokomo rookie drift car, the Phantom GR86.
Yeah, we had a lot of trouble with this one. We had to replace the gyro, the ESC burnt out, the servo burnt out, and so we might as well have just gotten the kit car to start with at this point, because all the ready-to-run stuff just decided to not be alive anymore.
The only factory things are the receiver and the motor at this point. But,
nice.
You know, now this is pretty much a fully built professional RC drift car, so.
Sick. And mine is a Redcat RDS, and it has a stupid Redcat body on it. It's supposed to be some sort of a Nissan Z, I guess, but it's like a Grand Theft Auto version of a Nissan Z. Came brushless, it has the gyro, carbon fiber chassis, so that's super cool, like real carbon fiber. And I have a S13 body that we're about to paint at some point today, and I grabbed some new wheels that have some adjustable offset, so these are going to be matched with that. But for now, until I paint that, I'm just going to run this body.